In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to pick an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. When you're ready, click on this icon at the top right corner and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my app was successfully opened in pop-up view. If you are interested to manage it, stick around. If you want to move it, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now, to minimize it, there are two ways. You can either tap on Home button and then tap on this tiny window to access it again. Or click on this icon of a line at the top left corner to turn your window into a bubble. Tap on the bubble to access your window. And if you wish, move your bubble by holding it and dragging it, or even close your window by holding the bubble and dragging it to remove area at the bottom. Then let go. Now, if you want to close your window over here, you can do that by clicking on this X at the top right corner. If you prefer to use it in full screen view, you can do that by holding this line at the bottom and dragging it down until you see gray area. Or just click on this icon at the top left corner, the square one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!